So if you ask me to tell the name of a stock which is futuristic in nature, which has good fundamentals, which has the richest variety of clientele base, then there is just one name which comes to my mind immediately, and that is Jyoti CNC Automation. So in this video I'm going to do the complete analysis of this stock, the fundamentals, the price action, everything, and you will get to know if this stock is investment worthy or not. And the most interesting part of this video will be the time when I'm going to show you the clientele list. Okay, and I'm really excited for that. That will come after some time, after I do the fundamental analysis. And please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational and informational video which is made in order to help you in understanding a basic criteria for stock selection which you can consider for investment. Okay, so with that said, let's get started. Alright, so hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the official website of Jyoti CNC Automation. Okay, and we'll come to this place once again. Let us first look into some basic things about this company. Okay, so we can see that Jyoti CNC Automation is a leading manufacturer of simultaneous 5-axis CNC machine in India with 10% market share in the country. Okay, it has years of expertise in designing manufacturing tools for companies in aerospace, defense, auto components, and general engineering and other industries. Okay, so we can clearly see here are some of the areas which are definitely having very good scope in future. Okay, and not only this, you have to dig little bit deeper into this company, which will help you to understand more about this company. Okay, do not just watch the video and directly go and invest it. Please do some own research. Okay, and you will like it very much. Okay, this company is really a very unique one. Okay, and I will show you why. Okay, so if we come to the peer comparison, okay, we can see it is in engineering industry. So the current price is 1185 with a market cap of just under 27,000 crores. Reserves is 1319 crores. Debt is 303 crores, and that's why the debt to equity ratio is excellent at 0.22. 3 years average sales growth 32.14, which is very good. 3 years average profit growth 60.75, very good. Earning per share growth 31.60, which is also very good. Interest coverage ratio is 4.34, which is good. Current ratio 2.47, this is also good. Operating profit margin is 24.77, which is looking very healthy. Okay, and one thing you can notice, the industry P is 47.47, but the stock P is 125.17. Now you might think that this is not the ideal time to buy the stock because the PE ratio is way above the industry PE, but please remember that when the stocks are actually trending, then their PE is definitely more likely to be more than the industry, and this is what is happening here. So nothing to worry about. Okay, and I have mentioned this thing repeatedly in all my videos, and you can go and watch them and you will get to know that stocks with very high PE become the multi-bagger in a quick amount of time, but that does not mean that you will keep the same expectation from every stock. Okay, but definitely it is in demand. That's why the PE ratio is high. Okay, Altman Jet score 22.59, very good number. Okay, now coming to profit and loss statement. So we'll compare the results of last 4 years. Okay, so in 2022 sales was 746, which went up to 929, then 1338, 1492, very good growth in sales. Operating profit 73, 97, 301, 370, this is also very good. Now operating profit margin 10%, 10%, 22%, 25%. So very strong growth in operating profit margin as well. So this is what we should always look for. Okay, and now the same goes with earning per share as well. If we come here, you can see it was in loss minus 16.38. One second, please. Okay, so minus 16.38, which went up to a positive 4.57, then 6.63, 9.92. Okay, very good growth in earning per share as well. Now the shareholding pattern. So we can see we have the data available for last 2 quarters, March 24 and June 24. Okay, now the promoters were holding 62.55% in March, and same percentage is still there. It is intact, no change in that. We see a slight drop in FI stake 5.75 to 4.91. This is just around 0.8% around drop. Okay, not a big drop. Definitely the FI is definitely sometimes they book profits. Okay, it's not like they will continuously increase the stake in every quarter. It does not work that way. So definitely it is acceptable if a drop is around 5% or more in one quarter by FI or DI by the smart money, then it is something which should take a deeper look at, but this is not the case here. Okay, and if we take a look at DI holding, it has increased from 5.89% to 6.54. So I would say the overall shareholding pattern of Jyoti CNC Automation is looking stable. Okay, it is looking strong and the fundamentals are good. It is healthily growing. Okay, this is the fundamental analysis overview. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to the official website again and we will take a look at the clientele list. Okay, and this is the time where I was about which I was talking about. Okay, very interesting part. So let's see the name of the clients. Okay, and you will be familiar with many popular names we are going to see right now. Okay, so first of all, you can see read all the names, and if you are familiar with more names, definitely it's a good thing. But very common names, the most common names I'm going to highlight: Amuja Cement, Ashok Leyland. Okay, then what we have, let's scroll down, Azad Engineering. Okay, and then we have, here it is, Azad Engineering, BRC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Okay, then we have Bharat Dynamics. Okay, Brahmos Missile. Okay, then Brakes India, Bajaj Steel. Okay, some more familiar names. Then let's scroll down again and see Bharat Forge. We can see here Bharat Forge, Bosch, Client DML, and CTTC Bhubaneswar. Okay, these are some of the more common names. Then let's scroll down again and we have Cello, we have Crompton Greaves, Doms. Okay, what else? Yeah, and if you are familiar with the other names, it's a good thing. Now let's scroll down again. Godrej, we can see here Godrej. We have Havels, we have Hal. Okay, we have Hal here. Then we have Havels, Godrej. Okay, some of the common names. Now let's scroll down further and we have Indian Railways, ISRO. Okay, Indian Railways, ISRO, IFB, Indian Oil, and what else? Yeah, that's all. Let's scroll down again even further. We have JBM Group. Okay, we have JBM Group, JSW Steel here. Then what else? No, Kinetic. Okay, some of the familiar names. Okay, let me quickly scroll down even further because the list is very, very long. Okay, KEC International, you can see here, L&T. Then what else? Masgaon Dock Shipbuilders, very good. Mahindra, Minda, and what else? Many popular names, right? Praj Industries, and what else? Solar Industries. Okay, yeah, these are some of the very popular names. Wellspun. Okay, and now if we scroll down even further, we can see some international brands. Okay, and you can see BMW, Boeing. Okay, and Fiat, and then NASA. Okay, Rolls Royce. Okay, Siemens. So very popular names. Mercedes Benz here, right? So all these are, and Volkswagen. Okay, and so all these are clearly telling that the clientele base of Jyoti CNC Automation is actually pretty healthy and looking very strong, very promising. Okay, so it is diversified into a number of industries. Okay, they are the clients, so definitely the business is looking very strong. Now the only thing remaining is the price action. So we have to see where the stock is currently trading at, and if this is a good time to make an entry in this stock or not. So let's find out that. Okay, and I'm going to the price action. So this is Jyoti CNC in daily time frame, and you can see it was listed not long ago. It is just 16 January 2024. Okay, this year itself at 371, and rapidly it started giving a rally. Okay, and gave 235% in just 150 days. Okay, and now it then it started correcting. It corrected around 27%, and then here you can see it tried to give one rally here just few weeks back, but again it was pushed down. Okay, now it is again starting to go up. So if you ask me, is this the best time to make an entry in this stock, the perfect time? I would say no, it's not the best time, but chances are the stock might make this as the bottom, because you can see here it was the support. Okay, now it is taking support here most probably, and from here it could start going up. Then after reaching this point, it might go little bit sideways and then go up, or again come down to this level. So these are the two things that could happen. But if you want to if you are very confident about the stock and you want to invest a bulk amount in the stock and you want to do some investing at this moment, then I would say this is not a very bad time to invest. In fact, this is a, I would say, average time. Okay, it's an average time. Why is that? Because when I come to 1 hour time frame, I can clearly see that the 50 period EMA is providing support, and we can see a crossover in 1 hour. Okay, so what could happen next is the stock could go up to this level, 1300 level. Okay, and then if it remains strong there, then it will stay there for a while and then give a breakout. Okay, stay there for and then give a breakout above this 1300 level, or else it will come down again. But in either of the case, if you make an entry right now at this price, then it won't be bad, because the stock is currently trading below 1200, which is a good time, because once this stock starts rallying, I am pretty sure and confident that this will definitely give very good returns to its investors. So if you are a value investor and you want to buy this stock, you feel confident about its business, then I would say you can start accumulating some units from this point itself. Okay, but let's say you are a very technical person and you do not want to make any early entry, you just want to make confirmed entry, then what could you do? When can you enter? And what if you enter at any particular price point, what will be your profit taking target? So I would say you can mark your entry above this 1250 level. If the stock stays above 1250, okay, this 50% retracement level, then you can make your entry. Okay, keep your stop loss slightly below this 50% level or below the wick of the lowest candle at this point. Okay, I will definitely make an update video in future once this happens. Okay, and then if it starts going up, then you can take your profit. Your first set of profit will be around this level, 1680. You can consider round up to 1700 level. So entry at around 1250 and profit taking around 1700. Okay, so 36% return here, and the second profit taking point will be around 1900, 1850 to 1900. So again 50% profit. These are the two profit taking targets for you. Okay, that does not mean this is the end of the story for Jyoti CNC Automation and it won't go even further. Well, it definitely will if the business stays strong. And if you want to be a part of that profit as well, then what you can do is simply use the 50 EMA to trail your stop loss. As long as the stock is trading above the 50 EMA like this, you can stay with it. When it turns downward and the stock starts using it as a resistance, then you can exit. Okay, this should be the strategy, this should be the approach for trading, investing in Jyoti CNC Automation. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope it was informative and useful. Please hit the like button, share it with other people, and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will find more stock analysis posts. And also don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You will find the link in the description section below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.